we are going to see a project online college conference. This project is developed in .NET 2012, ASP.NET as front end, and coding language is C#, MS SQL Server as a backend. To start the application, go to Start, click Visual Studio 2012. To open the project, go to File, click Open and choose Website. Select the project folder and then click Open. This project will be very helpful for both college and for the students. Colleges can post the information about the events or conference, etc., so that the students can make use of it effectively, and colleges can also get a lot of information through this application easily. So choose the first form of the project from the Solution Explorer and then click Run. So this is the home page of the application. So here we have two users, one is college and one is student. So now let us create an account for both college and for the student. So let me sign up for a college first. So these are the college which are registered already. So I'm going to create a new college now. And then give the information. And then the website, college website. Tax number and the username and password for the college. So the username is BANG and the password is 12123. So let me save it in a notepad for the future use. So the college name is Bangalore University and the username is BANG and the password is 123, and then click Save. So now the details will be saved and the table will get updated with the college name we have created now. So click back to home to go back to home page, and now let me create a student. So click Sign Up Student and then the register number of the student. And then the name, choose the college from the drop down. So in the drop down, all the colleges we have created so far will be loaded here. So I'm going to choose the college name we created and the department, the course, and mail ID of a student. Phone number and the username and password. You can create the username and password for your account. That is, the username is BELLA and the password is 123. So now let me save it in the notepad. For Bella it is BELLA and the password is 123, and then click Save Details. So your information will be saved. So click OK. Now let me go back to home page, and now we have an account for both college and student. So let me log in as college first. So the username is BANG and the password is 123. Click Login. So this is the home page of the college. So the next tab is View Students. So in this tab you can see all the students registered under your college. So we have created only one student so far, so that details is shown here. So if 50 students are registered here, all the student name will be showed here. And the next tab is Update College Information. So if you need to update any information, you can edit here and click Update. So I'm going to change the phone number and then click Update Details. The information will be updated. So the next tab is Create Conference. So here the college is allowed to create the conference because they are the person who inform about the conferences. So we need to create about the conference topic here. So here let me create a conference, a topic that is for paper presentation, and then the conference type, that is national or international or local. So I'm going to choose national and choose the date of the event, that is date of the conference, and the department. So specialization, so I'm going to type robotics, and chief guest name, so just fill in the name of the chief guest, and the coordinators of the event, and then the link of the registration. So let me give the college link, and then email. The phone number, and the capacity I'm going to give as 1000, and number of person for per PPT or for the paper presentation, so I'm going to give 3, and the detail amount, let it be 200. So after filling all the information, just click on create conference. So your conference will be created with the acknowledgement message, conference created successfully. Click OK. So the next tab is send conference request. So here you can see in a grid about with the information you have given to create a conference. So far we have created only one conference, so you can see here. So by choosing the select button, you can view information in detail. So in the drop down you can see college and student under the attribute invite. So through this, by clicking this button, you can invite the colleges or the students for this conference. So let me choose college first and click on send invitation. So the invitation will be sent to all the colleges now about the paper presentation robotics under the topic. And again I'm going to choose the students also, so I'm going to give the invitation for both colleges and students now. So now the invitation has sent. So the next tab is view and accept other requests. So here you can, like how the college called Bangalore University sent the invitation to other colleges will also send the invitation to the college also. So by clicking the information, we'll see in detail. So we'll come back to this page again. So just click log out and go back to the home page. Let me log in as student. So the student account is BELLA and the password is 123. Click login. So this is the home page of the student. The first tab is view and accept a conference request. So now the student can get the information, request or the invitation from the college of the Bangalore University, and the topic and everything you can see by clicking on the click to view the details. So here you can see all the details, and either you can accept the request or you can cancel the request. So if you are interested, then they can click on accept request, so the request will be accepted. So the second tab for the student account is update information. Here the student can update the personal information, and by clicking on update, the information will get updated. So the next is conference feedback. So after attending the conference, they can give the feedback to the to that particular conference to all the colleges. They can view the information from their login. So by choosing the topic, they can send the feedback. So I'm going to give now. So just type the information. So I'm going to give great opportunity. Please So I'm just giving great opportunity. Please post more information like this, and then just click feedback and then click OK. So it will be reflect in the college account. I'll show you. So that's all with the student account. Let me click log out and go back to the home page, and let me log in as college, that is BANG, and the password is 123. Click login. So click login. So under tab confirmation list, you can see all the topic loaded in the drop down. By choosing the particular topic, you can see the confirmation list. So only one student confirmed the invitation request. So the next tab is view student feedback. Here you can same like the confirmation list, all the topic will be loaded here. So you can choose the topic and you can view the student feedback. So the working demo didn't get any feedback from the student, and the paper presentation, the topic which we created, and the feedback from the Bella is this. And the next tab is video conference. So here we have two radio buttons. One is send video conference request and another is view received video conference request. So by clicking on this radio button, you can request the other colleges to send their conference video. So I have already created a college called Jain University. So their topic is working demo. So you can, by choosing the topic, you can see the date and conference held in area. So by just clicking on view, you can see all the details, and just click on view video request. The request will be sent to the Jain University account. Let me log out and show you their account. So the username for Jain is Jain and 123. So click on video conference and the next radio button, view received video request. So this is the request sent by the Bangalore University by us, and by clicking select button you can see the information, and you can choose the video by clicking on the button choose file and click send video. Now it will be sent to the college, and let me log in as Bangalore University now. So click log out, and then now clicking on the video conference tab, sorry, download conference video, and by choosing the topic, by choosing the topic is working demo, and click view button. Now you can download the video by clicking on this tab. The next, that's all. By clicking logout, you can come back to the home page. So this is how the project works. So let me show you the coding part. Close the browser and then click stop. So we have two important explorers here, Server Explorer and Solution Explorer. In the Server Explorer, you can see the databases, and by selecting the respective database of your project, you can see all the tables corresponding to the project. And in the Solution Explorer, you can see all the files and folders. So you should always choose the first form of the project. Here it is index.aspx, and then you should click on this run button. Your project will run in your default browser. Yeah, thank you.